Hi, and welcome to another episode of Keto with Karson, featuring Rosanna. On today's episode, we're going to be making keto meatballs.
So this is a gluten-free, dairy-free spin on the traditional Italian meatball, and they're super simple to make. So you're going to need some organic ground beef, almond meal flour, Italian spices, some garlic, anise, Celtic salt, duck fat, and 1 egg.
Yeah. All right, you ready to make these things?
Let's do it.
Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to take half a pound of ground beef, put it in a bowl. Then you're going to take 2 tablespoons of almond flour. 1, 2. Then we're going to take the egg, put it in. Then we're going to take the Italian seasoning and we're going to do 1 teaspoon. And then we're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of anise and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and a pinch of salt. Just like that. And then we're going to knead it into a little bunch of meatballs. Probably about this big. Just like little golf balls.
Or however big you want your balls.
How big do you like your balls? Okay, so what you want to do next is you want to preheat the oven to 385 and you want to get a saucepan going on medium to medium high heat. Add a little duck fat to the pan. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take the meatballs and put them in the pan until they're golden brown. And this makes about 10 meatballs, so if you want more than that, just double the recipe. Alright, so what you want to do is, you want to just keep flipping these until all sides are golden brown, and just keep rotating them. Once they're golden brown on all the sides, what you want to do is turn off the pan and start transferring them to a baking rack, a baking sheet. Alright, so then what you're going to do is you're going to pop them in the oven on 385 for about 7 minutes. And now we wait. Okay, after the 7 minutes, we take the meatballs out. Yes. We check for an internal temperature of what? 160 degrees. We're at 165. All right, now that these keto meatballs are done, you want to give them a try?
Yeah.
All right.
They're so good.
They're so good. Just as good as regular meatballs.
If not better. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Keto with Karson.
Totally.